Hey everybody, let's make a cocktail using this new tequila that I discovered. Um, okay. Hey everybody, let's maybe not make a cocktail together. Hey everybody, let's make a cocktail together using the Anna Maria Hoven tequila. Ma'am, come on. Let's get started here. Okay, so we're going to use blood orange. It's blood orange season, which is usually in the later months of the winter. It's a winter citrus. And we're going to be using this Anna Maria Rosa tequila. Now, this is a Joven tequila because it has Blanco tequila with an added addition of Cabernet Sauvignon. The Cabernet is added during the bottling process, which gives it a beautiful rosé color. Wine lovers would definitely appreciate it. Now, let's take a look at this. It's a beautiful rosé color. I'm in love. Now let's give it a little sniff. It's on the nose. I smell some floral, citrus, and the cooked agave. I think I'm going to like it. Give it a little taste. And definitely has the dark cherries from the Cabernet. It's smooth. You have the cooked agave. That's the one. So I'm going to go ahead and make a margarita, and I'm going to start with a salted rim. And with my rim, I like to use salt and sugar, and it actually even has some loose tea. Now, I use this same loose tea to make a simple syrup. And the loose tea I'm using has dried hibiscus, dried rose, rubio, some other fruit notes. So it's really, really fruity and really fun. So we'll use our lime, we'll use our beautiful blood orange, and let's get started. Half an ounce of lime juice, a squeeze of the juice from half of a blood orange. Let's get all those beautiful colors in there. Now I'm going to use 1 full ounce of my tea simple syrup, and I'm going to use 2 full ounces of my Anna Maria Joven tequila. It's really, really lovely, you guys. A little shaky, shaky. It's giving me life. Let's go ahead. Let's strain this over our ice, garnish with a blood orange, and give it a taste. Cheers. Damn, that's good. Y'all really need to make this one. I'm going to put the recipe below. Yeah.